Hello everybody, it is April the 25th, Tuesday evening. Today, my wife and I went to see a fantastic Disney nature movie, Born in China. Go see it. It is majestically beautiful. The cinematography is top notch. And at the end, you will be surprised to learn what types of cameras were used to capture such an incredibly beautiful movie. Yes, I was shocked. All right, let's talk about printing. Everybody knows about the Pro 100 from Canon. Everybody knows that after you use up your OEM inks, you want to go ahead and switch over to third-party options. There's not that many available. Some of them are great. Some of them are really terrible. Stay away from those terrible ones you see on eBay, especially compatible cards. No, avoid them like the plague. Learn how to modify your original CLI 42s and then buy the inkset resetter and the extra cartridge you will need for the yellow exchange. Also, add this, a set of squeezy bottles with the little needles. Makes the whole process so much easier. Okay, so for those of you who doubt the ability of the Pro 100, I want you to take a quick look at this little exercise that I did today. Pro 1 OEM inks and OEM profile. The image is one that is very difficult to print. It's got ridiculous colors. Most of them were out of gamut when I checked them in Photoshop. Okay, I don't know whether this is real or not, but apparently it's a series of hills with wildflowers growing of all sorts of colors, and it is just incredible. Take a close look at that. Hope you don't get too many reflections. All right, this is Pro Luster, by the way, from Canon. So I decided, why not? Let's make a profile with the Color Monkey and see if I can improve on this rendition. And actually, no, I could not. Basically, it's about the same. As you can see, pretty much identical. So then I thought, wait a minute, let's try the Pro 100 with Precisioncolors inks. It's bound to come a couple of steps behind the Pro 1. It has to be, right? Pro 100 Precisioncolors inks and the Ardenberg profile that they created for me when I was doing those test prints for the longevity testing. Bottom one is PC, Pro 100. Top one is Pro 1, OEM everything. The bottom one was printed with the Ardenberg profile. All I can say is that if you have a Pro 100 and you were worried about switching over to PC inks, I hope this kind of takes care of that fear for you. Again, if you would like to obtain that profile from me, let me know and I will post a link for it. Remember, you have to be using Precisioncolors inks 100%. That means that you have refilled your cartridges at least twice. And at that point, you should be able to get amazing results like that. No more fears, no more worries. You're printing for pennies a print now. And as you can see, the quality is there. It is there. Now, at this very moment, I am printing a series of photographs that I downloaded from the DP Review Forum gallery section. They are nature abstracts, and they are being printed right now on Pro Luster, OEM inks, and my profile. And tomorrow, I'm going to bestow upon you two super gorgeous prints. The images came again from Christine Bilby Photography in Australia. She has an array of gowns. She says she has a complete wardrobe full of these types of fancy gowns that most girls would be dying to put on and pose in front of the camera. And of course, these girls are beautiful, and Christine does a beautiful job capturing their beauty. And so I will share these two prints with you tomorrow. They are really lovely. Again, I printed them without any kind of manipulation, and I did do a black and white version on a very special image that I'm sure you will like to see and enjoy. So thank you so much. every day the subscribership is rising. Great. I see an increase in views. So I thank you guys for spreading the word and helping this channel out. It is very difficult in this time of the year. There are so many videos. I mean, millions and millions of videos on YouTube, and only so much paid advertisement that can be tagged onto these videos. There's not enough advertisement to go around, in other words. So ads get very, very selectively put in very, very selectively chosen videos. And I tested that, and about maybe 1 out of every 4 of my videos will receive an ad. So if you get an ad while watching one of my videos, please watch the ad. If you get a click ad and it interests you, has something to do with the same subject matter, click on it. I get a lot more credit for that, and the little pennies start adding up. All right. And don't forget, of course, patreon.com/jtoolman. Donate $1, $2 every month, and it's automatically deducted from a credit card or debit card. Perfectly safe. No one has ever reported any problems with that form of donation. All right, thank you once again. I got to go drink something. My throat is really getting scratchy. The weather has been crazy. Super hot, cold, medium, rain. This day today we had cold rain this morning, and it is Tuesday. By Saturday, when we have Nathan's actual birthday party, it's supposed to be something like 88 degrees, nearly 90, and partly sunny, only partly sunny. So we should have a blast though. There's going to be a lot of kids, and Grandpa's going to turn into a kid, like I am not a kid at heart anyway. So you might see me inside the bouncy house jumping up and down with the kids. All right. Thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And until the next time, happy printing, everyone. Bye-bye.